8 species in total have been declared extinct that were indigenous to Hawaii. And those 8 species are right here. They were just declared extinct officially on Monday, October 16th, 2023. Although some of them haven't even been cited since the early 1900s, and the most recent one that was cited was in 2004. And let's get into why. Last seen in 1940, the reason for its extinction was deforestation, so habitat loss, the introduction of mosquitoes, which brought diseases to these birds because mosquitoes are not endemic to that area, and the introduction of predators. Last seen alive in 1906. However, there was a possible sighting in 2007, but it's not been proven. Has not been seen, though, after 2007 either. And its extinction was due to deforestation and then slash and burn farming, as well as the introduction of mosquitoes, and which brought diseases, and the introduction of predators. Rats are predators. They do eat the eggs of all these birds. Last seen in 1987, this one was actually the last of its genus. These birds were alive for like 10, 15 million years. And last seen in 1987, the cause of extinction is introduction of predators, the introduction of the mosquitoes because they brought diseases, and then deforestation, loss of habitat. Last seen in 1989, the cause of extinction is deforestation, the introduction of mosquitoes, the introduction of predators. You see where we're going? Mm-hmm. Last seen alive in 1988, and the reason for its extinction is deforestation, the introduction of mosquitoes, and the introduction of predators. Last seen in 1994, and the reason for extinction was due to deforestation, loss of habitat, the introduction of mosquitoes with diseases, and the introduction of predators. Last seen in 1963, and the reason for its extinction is deforestation, the loss of the habitat, the humanity. Humans bringing mosquitoes to a place that did not have those diseases, and the introduction of predators non-native to the islands. Last seen in 2004, the reason for the extinction is, you guessed it, deforestation, the introduction of mosquitoes, the introduction of predators. Incredibly sad, incredibly horrific and horrifying, because this has been going on for a long time in a lot of places, and we still haven't figured out what to do to fix this. I mean, 8. What's coming tomorrow? And this is just United States. This isn't telling of everything that's being declared extinct in other countries, on other continents as well.